friends, it's Stacy. I'd like to read another one of our Storytime sing-along books. Do you remember reading Trains by Byron Barton? Let's begin. On the track. The trains are running. Here is a train with people inside. This is called a commuter train. Have you ever ridden on a train before, friends? It can be so exciting. There goes a freight train loaded with freight. Here are the freight cars. The caboose is last. This green car is carrying bananas. This orange tanker is carrying oil. This purple car is loaded with coal. This flatbed blue car is carrying a yellow construction truck. And the little red caboose is last. He's at the end. Here is a steam engine puffing smoke. This is an old train. This train uses coal to help the engine move down the track. Here is an electric train. You see the wires? This train uses electricity to help it move down the track, similar to the electricity that you use in your house to turn a light on and off. Here are some workers fixing the track. Here is the engineer driving at night. See the waxing crescent moon? The engineer turned on the lights on the train to help him see in the dark. Just like you turn on the headlights in your car when you're driving in your car at night. Here are the passengers, sound asleep. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people with their eyes closed and their pillows. They're sleeping at nighttime on the train. Sleep well, people. Here is a railroad crossing. The cars must wait. See the bus and the cars have stopped because the gate is down, because the train is going to pass by. We need to keep safe. Let the train go by. Here is a town. The train passes by. Do you have a train that passes by your town, friends? Here is a train station. The train stops here. Here are the people getting on and off. Some of these people look like they're going to work. And some of these people look like they might be going to school. And this mommy and little boy, maybe they're going to the zoo. People ride the train for many different reasons. Here is the conductor calling, "All aboard!" That's a warning to let the people know the train is getting ready to move. It has to keep on schedule. There goes the train, speeding away. The end. Trains by Byron Barton. I have a couple things I'd like to show you, friends. I wanted to first show you that I made a railroad crossing gate. And there's 3 things that you need to pay attention to when you see this gate. The lights will flash, and the gate will go down, and you'll hear a warning bell that sounds similar to this. see that the lights are flashing. And this little gate is down. You hear the warning bell. You'll know that a train is quickly approaching, and you must keep your body safe. Stand back and stay alert, because trains are big and our cars and our bodies are little, and we do not want to be hurt by a train that comes by. So we always have to pay attention when we get near these little train crossing gates. And I also have 2 songs that I want to sing to you, and I made a train to help us sing along. I'll use our little green grasshopper to help us sing. The first song is about an engine, and I have some musical instruments to help us. If you don't have rhythm sticks, you can always use wooden spoons. They work too. So are you ready? Here we go. Woo woo, woo woo. Engine, engine number 9, riding down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Maybe yes and maybe no. Maybe yes and maybe no. Maybe yes and maybe no. Yes, I want my money back. Woo woo, woo woo. Yay! That was the first song. That was about the engine. All right, now I'm going to have my little grasshopper hop to get to the caboose. Because the next song is about a little red caboose. I think you know this song. And I have my egg shaker. Or if you don't have one, you can always make one out of little plastic containers and fill it with rice and beans and tape it up. So are you ready? Here we go. Little red caboose, cha cha cha. Little red caboose, cha cha cha. Little red caboose behind the train. Smokestack on his back, 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 back. Coming down the track, 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 track. Little red caboose behind the train. Woo, woo. Yay! That was so much fun. Well, thank you for letting me share my train with you. And thank you for learning about crossing gate safety. And you should always pay attention when you see one of these when you're on the road to keep your body safe. And thank you for reading the train book with me again, friends. It's one of my favorites. All right, well, until next time, I hope you had fun. I know I did. Bye for now.